Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Well, I watched Chris Capoon. He had some of these registered mail padlocks, and ever since then I was like, "Oh man, I want to get one of those because they're cool. They got the little counters in them and everything." This one came locked and with no key. I went and watched Lockpicking Lawyer. He had a couple of these, and he was telling the difference between the older and the newer models. This one is one of the newer models because the window's not raised up, and the mechanism inside is not as durable as the older model, which I'll probably wind up collecting. The thing about this is, when it was closed, you can't push it back once you gone a certain point. Once you've opened it, because it's registering the different number. It was 484 when I got it. The pins are sitting up here, and they're way the hell back there. There's only 3 of them, and I was trying to single pin pick it. First I wasn't going in the right direction. Then I was even looking up here for the pins. Finally got a flashlight in there and looked, and they were down there. The way I got it was not totally by single pin picking. Excuse me. I sat up on the pins and kind of like zip raked them. There's only 3 pins, and I just sat there and going, until I finally got it to turn. So let's continue with it all the way around. There's a little click there. It's a cool lock. They're pretty expensive. And we're at 45. It's locked up. There are, if they come with keys, even without keys, these things go anywhere from like around, if you're lucky, $25, kind of like the lowest you can get, on up to $200 and beyond. Just depends. But like I said, the way I got into the last one, I doubt if I'm going to be able to. It took me a while. I had to just sit there and watch TV and fiddle like that. But I just got up there and kind of like raked and applying a little bit of tension on the tension wrench. And really, I could not get it single pin picking. I'd push up and I'd feel grittiness and stuff like that, and I couldn't get any distinctive clicks. It was just bizarre. But this is how I got it. Just use this little zip guy right here, this full glide, and just kept doing this. I don't think I'm going to get it for this. I just wanted to really show you the lock, and I mean, you can go in there and try to. Like I said, there's only 3 pins. You can try to push on them and feel them, but nobody wants to, they're easy to overset or something. You would think you would just randomly push them, but I wasted a lot of time doing that until I finally started zipping and I got it open. But, however, like I said, this is the newer version. It wasn't super secure. The idea was more like a tamper evident type of thing, that because everybody had the same key. There's only 3 pins. The pins are way the hell back here, and once you've opened it, that number is going to change. So, anyways, pretty cool locks. I got this one. It was up. They started off the bid at $9.99. I thought, cool. But of course somebody else bid against me. I got it for like $25 delivered or so. Maybe a little bit more, and I'll have to look at the thing. But cool old locks. They're fairly heavy. And just an interesting bit of history. I don't think they use this stuff anymore. But a lot of fun to get it open. I'm going to sit there and watch TV and play and rake until I get it partially popped again. But thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone. I just managed to zip it open again, so maybe I can capture it on camera. We're at 486 now. There, good and locked. When you get to 9999 on this, the lock no longer works. So I've got quite a few openings before I have to worry about that. I think you can fix it too. I think there's a way of making the lock continue beyond that, but shouldn't have to worry about that problem. I'm not going to take it apart. There we go. See? Got it. And the counter, see, now it's 87. You can't go backwards and try to reset it once you've gone up there. So it's not too hard, but I'm telling you, single pin picking it is not easy. So there we're at 487. There you go. Yeah, they're not real hard to get into once you figured them out.